welcome. So today I'll go over unboxing of this camera stabilizer. So anyway, it's from this company. I'm not even gonna attempt to pronounce how you're supposed to say it. So there it is. That's the company. And yeah, let's just go into it. As you can see, it's supposed to be for DSLRs. I did unboxing of similar tripod from them, not tripod, what am I saying? A gimbal from them like a couple days ago, which is supposed to also support DSLRs. Now I needed specifically to support like the Samsung camcorder, or not Samsung, what am I saying? Sony camcorder, which unlike the DSLR, it has more weight on the back, and it's from the mounting point it was going back, and it literally was resting on one of the gimbal axes, so that didn't really work too well for that purpose. So we'll see if this one actually does anything better. Anyway, let me just quickly find my little tool that I usually use to actually open things up. There we go. And let's just pop it open. Now disregard the noises from the outside. So anyway, and here, let's see. Okay, that's how you open it up. And this thing literally comes with a plastic carrying case. Oh, okay. There's also one last little thing in here. There we go. What is that, a CD? Nope, just paperwork, so I'm not even gonna go into it. Let's pop this open. I'm gonna move it a little bit so I don't hit my monitor. There we go. So damn, this looks actually really nice. Way better than the previous one. Hopefully it will actually still function like I need it to. So anyway, get something right here. We get moisture packet. We got the actual gimbal right here. Now it is made out of solid metal or aluminum, and we got some battery in here that is supposed to go. So let's see, cable for charging. Now the carrying pouch is quite nice. The one thing that I would probably like to see more is this being better. This is straight up like styrofoam. It does have some kind of coating on top of it, I guess, so it doesn't like completely break apart, but it's still styrofoam nonetheless, which I would probably prefer to see something a little bit nicer than styrofoam when they went out of their way to actually make a genuine like plastic carrying pouch. Now this looks to be using just standard like batteries, right? This one, I mean standard, meaning lithium ion ones. Oh, come on. There we go, there's one battery, and let's pop this one as well. There we go. Now as you can see, we also get this battery charger case right here. Assuming you don't have one. And it does use a micro USB, I think it is. As you can see, so the old charging port for like basically phones and stuff like that it used to be before Type-C. And this is the same thing. So if you can see it right here, it has the same crap charger, which is a little bit of a shame considering this in general feels really premium, and this is probably the least premium part of it, the actual charging port. Now, because this is made out of metal and it is winter right now, I'm having a little bit of a condensation on all the parts, as you can see. So it's not the greatest, but anyway, I just completely ignore this. Kind of guessing how the battery is supposed to go, so let's see if that is the correct way. There we go. And it looks to be. There's a little bit of a hello flash. There we go. Now for some reason this is literally vibrating. Not exactly sure what it's trying to do right now. Huh? What? Okay, that's interesting. I'm literally not doing anything, as you can see. I don't know if it's... I don't know if you can even hear it. I'm gonna... Great! Okay, I'm just gonna turn it off for now because it doesn't really seem like it's doing much. There we go. Not sure what the problem is. I'm gonna try to figure out later on. So anyway, that's basically, I would say, all we get in the box. We get the gimbal, we get charging ports, we also get some mounting screws. We get a tripod for it. There we go. Again, straight out made out of aluminum. It's fairly light, but obviously it's going to be durable. And yeah, it's pretty nice. Anyway, it's basically all we get in here. So to close this, remove it out of the way, and you can kind of see it. Now, unlike the previous gimbal that I did unbox, this one doesn't seem to have like any mounting for phone. So yeah, you basically get to mount only things that have a mounting points like the, what is it, a quarter inch screw hole, I believe it is. So basically like majority of the cameras and camcorders, mics and stuff like that. So yeah, if you're planning to mount like a phone to it, I guess you will need to buy additional adapters. So that's a little bit of a shame if you're planning to use something like that. Though to be fair, I'm pretty sure if you're buying something like this, you're not going to be using it with a phone. That kind of defeats the purpose. But just thought I would mention for people that would like to see the or hear the options that you actually have with this. So anyway, this would conclude the unboxing, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.